It's weekend again. It's VNfatBIKER. Continue to subscribe. Do you want to party like this? If yes, I will teach you. We will now review one of the very important gadgets that being used to party. This is the Pioneer DJ controller to bring you to a very good party. So we will check this out. We will unbox this. What's inside, how to set it up, and what's the quality of sound. Is it really partyable? Okay, let's bring it on this weekend. Let's go party with it. This is VNfatBIKER again. This is the Pioneer Digital Ddj-Sb. This is a DJ controller for party DJing. This is a basic startup kit that we will try to unbox, how to set up, and third, we will try how good is the sound, and let's practice some DJing on this one. Okay, let's start up the unboxing on this one. Okay, let's do the unboxing today. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so what's inside? There's some manuals. Okay, all the basic manuals for all. Okay, it's all about the Ddj-Sb, and this is it, guys. Of course, the receipt. And we have the CD software. Okay, the CD software. Wait, let me open this one. This is the one that you need to install to your laptop. This is a software interface to connect with this particular DJ controller. Okay, and let's see how are we going to use this one later. Of course, they have all the connecting cables. There is the connecting cables that will be used for, you know, the headset, DJ headset. We have the connecting cables and RCA, okay, from controller going to your speaker set. And the last cable is, there's an USB going to your laptop and then to your DJ controller. Okay, now let's open the main event. Okay. Okay, there's some cushion, styrofoam. Okay, wow, it's color blue. This is the Pioneer Ddj-Sb controller. Okay, this is how it looked like. So we're going to set up how to set up this thing, okay, and what are the parts that we need to know in doing the installation and setup. Okay, so that's the content of our box for all of these things. So we're now going to the next phase is setting this up, integrate to our laptops and the speaker itself. Okay, let's go now to our second step. Okay guys, already set up the speaker, our laptop, okay, and our DJ controller, the Pioneer Ddj-Sb. So we will now connect all cables from the DJ controller going to the laptop, from DJ controller going to our speaker. Then we will integrate and connect the user interface using the Serato DJ, and let's see how it will work. Okay, let's start it out now, guys. Okay, follow me. Already set up all the cables to the hardware, so the laptop to the DJ controller, from your output speaker, from your DJ controller, this Pioneer Ddj-Sb. So next is we're going to connect on the user interface using the Serato DJ software. So we assume you already pre-installed the Serato DJ intro. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, we'll try to click it. And that's how it looked like, the Serato DJ user interface. Okay, So an assumption also, you must already have the pre-downloaded all MP3 speakers, okay? I mean all MP3 music that you can use for your DJing, okay? As you can see, there are 2 channels. So you can select the first music or song that you would like to play, then you can stand by the second, okay? So let's start it. How to start it? So this is an example. As you can see, this controller, okay? And I'm scrolling it, okay? And once you select it, once you scroll it, then you can click it, okay? And then second is, wait, or you can use your mouse directly, okay? Let's see. That's an example only. And then after that, you can select to the next channel, okay? See, as you can load here, load to the first channel, load to the second channel, okay? So once you hit it and you have both song or music on this one, then on this one you can see this is your first channel. You can play that one. Once green, you can start playing, okay? And you have your fader here, okay? You have your fader, you have your master, okay? It's your second channel. You can pause it or your cue, okay? And this is your, if you would like some scratching, okay? And all the effects on this one, okay? If you want to learn more, all the step-by-step, all the function of each controller for this DJ controller for Pioneer Ddj-Sb, just go to the Pioneer DJ website, okay? I'm just sharing you the basic tips how to set it up about this particular DJ controller. Then now, let's go. Let's practice. Let's do some DJing, okay? Let's go now. Hope you like it, guys.